Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Wednesday, January 18th, 2023. Jeremy Crosby here. Hope you're having a great day. I'm still struggling, trying not to say 22. It is 23, and it is a snowstorm. A snowstorm is brewing here. And we got the details here from the National Weather Service, Milwaukee Sullivan. Of course, anytime we do any of these stories, we tell you, make sure you check the Weather Service frequently to make sure you know what is going on. What did happen is the storm did shift a little bit to the north. So we had winter storm watches that were in place basically to the north and to the west yesterday. Those have been moved to further north, and now we've got a lot of winter weather advisories that you're seeing here on your screen. So what are we talking about? A mix of snow, rain, and freezing rain is expected to overspread the area this evening. A winter weather advisory is in effect for much of the area starting this evening and will continue into Thursday. Central Wisconsin, as well as the areas west of Madison, are still expected to see all or mostly all snow from this system, and the snow totals are highest in those areas. Far southeastern Wisconsin should see mostly rain, with the temperatures staying above freezing. Between there will be some mix of rain, freezing rain, and snow, with temperatures right around freezing. And where the snowfall is expected tonight, well, that's kind of interesting because it's all over. And I say, you look at yesterday's compared to today's, the storm shifted. Either way, it says here, when and where the snow falls tonight is expected rates to be quite heavy at times, in excess of 1 inch per hour in some cases. The heaviest precipitation is expected to occur between midnight and 4 a.m. And while the heavier rain-snow mix will end by daybreak tomorrow, light wintry mix will linger through the day on Thursday. So it's going to be a messy commute. You can see here on the snowfall estimates 2 to 4 inches in the Madison area, and it gets less as you head to the south and to the east, more when you head to the north. And ice accumulation also expected out of this, so we definitely got to be on the lookout. You got any planned travel? Here's some timing for you on precip. By 7 p.m. to 10 p.m., looks like we will have that wintry mix started. Goes through the area all night long, and like I said, it's right through basically through the Fitchburg area where we're going to see whether it's going to be rain or snow. So there'll be snow by the end of this. Just how much, I think, is going to be an interesting question for sure. But make sure you check on the forecast from the National Weather Service. Stay up on what's going on with alerts. And again, plan extra time if you have to travel, especially on the overnight hours, because it is going to be messy. And we want you to be prepared if you are heading out. Here's a few winter tips to be prepared for your car. Make sure you have portable charger, water and snacks, first aid kit, blankets, windshield scraper, and brush. Make sure you have some of those kitty litter or sand with you, even a small shovel if needed to dig out or keep that exhaust pipe open if you are stuck in your vehicle. But please plan ahead. It's going to be messy. All right, other news. We got the Boys and Girls Club of Dane County. They'll be hosting Financial Aid Night tonight. They'll be hosting that from 6:30 to 8 p.m. at the Allied Family Center Club, located at 4619 General Line Road here in Fitchburg. It is open to all, and the high school seniors and their families in Dane County. You do need to register. Go to the Boys and Girls Club's website for more information. Fly tying for beginners starts today. You can sign up for this free program. The Southern Wisconsin chapter of the Trout Unlimited invites you to learn on how to try or improve your tying skills this winter. Classes consist of instructor-led demonstrations and hands-on tutorials. The courses are completely free of charge. All the materials needed or in the class are provided. You only need to provide the thread and the tools needed for tying. And that can be signed up through the Fitchburg Recreation Department if you want to join in on that class. Badger Prairie Needs Network needs your help. It says most needed items. We especially are low on white rice, canned fruit, and protein beans such as black pinto or kidney. All donations can be left at the volunteer entrance in the back during the pantry hours. And it says thank you for helping out. Finally, the Fitchburg Chamber has a new friend. It's the Bumper Cow. Check this out. It says our office has a new home for the Bumper Cow. It's from the Cow Parade, Wisconsin, which was started in 2006. Come on by and say hello. Have a great day, everybody.